Hey guys, so here we are at Espresso Bar and Icon, and we're going to show you today how to do some latte arts. Okay, so first thing we did was we chose our milk. We've got full cream, regular whole milk, but you can use anything. Some milks steam better than others. So yeah, we've got some really nice full cream. If you are going to do an alternative milk like almond or oat milk, then you need to use the series if you want to get a nice foam. So here we've got David, he's doing the shots of espresso. We're going to be making a flat white here, so we're going to do double ristretto, and then he's steaming the milk. Now the key is with steaming the milk is to have that steam one just slightly out of the milk on the top of the surface for like 1 second, and then to bury the nozzle of the milk underneath and get it moving. What we're doing is we're essentially stretching the fat molecules in the milk, and that's what's going to give us that nice silky creamy texture. So David's heated it there. How many degrees are we at there, David? Around about 100, what, 130, 129,
49, yeah.
Yeah. All right. So we get a little swirl, get it nice and silky. See that nice shine, gloss, no bubbles, what we call microfoam. And then we do like a pour. Basically what David's doing is breaking up the crema on top, and that allows him to then use the canvas to apply the milk. 4 pours, and then we strike back through to create the picture. Very nice, David. There we go.